If you run a contracting business, you know the operational challenges that come with it. Project managers are chasing updated budgets. Techs are scribbling notes on paper. The office is re-entering data just to get an invoice out the door. Most shops are held together by a stack of disconnected tools, and when something slips through the cracks, the business feels it. In this video, we'll break down what contractors should look for in both residential and commercial contractor software, and we'll spotlight today's sponsor, BuildOps, to show what a purpose-built platform looks like. Let's dive in. Residential versus commercial contractor software. What's the difference? Residential and commercial operations have meaningfully different requirements, and a platform that's optimized for one can be a poor fit for the other. Residential contracting is typically high volume and fast moving. Jobs are short, customers are homeowners, and the priority is speed. Quick dispatch, clean quotes, easy payment, and a good review at the end. The software needs a consumer-friendly experience, flexible scheduling, and simple invoicing. Commercial contracting is a different animal. Jobs are longer, clients are facility managers or general contractors, and the stakes around documentation, compliance, and job costing are significantly higher. You're managing multi-phase construction projects, RFIs, submittals, change orders, and subcontractors, often simultaneously. A residential-first tool stretched to fit this environment will show it seems fast. Many mid-sized contractors serve residential and commercial accounts side by side, which means they need software that can handle a quick homeowner service call in the morning and a complex multi-site commercial job in the afternoon, without splitting into two systems to do it. What matters in commercial contractor software in 2026? Here's what consistently separates the best commercial contractor software from tools that create more work than they solve. Unified service and project management. Most field service tools were built around service calls, dispatch, work orders, invoicing, and more, which works fine for more residential jobs. But commercial contractors also run multi-phase projects with budgets, timelines, RFIs, and subcontractors. If your platform can't handle both, you end up with a split operation. One tool for service, another for projects, and nobody sharing data. The best commercial contractor software manages both in one system. Scheduling and dispatch that accounts for complexity. Commercial contracting work isn't just about availability. Dispatching the right technician means weighing location, certifications, workload, and job history simultaneously. Contractor software should give dispatchers a clear, real-time board with the ability to assign, reschedule, or extend jobs quickly. And it should surface the right tech for the right job, not just the first available one. Field to office connectivity. When field and office teams operate on separate systems, data gets lost in translation. Technicians should be able to access work orders, equipment history, site plans, and job documentation from a mobile device, and update the record in real time. The less paper, phone calls, and manual re-entry involved, the fewer errors. Job costing and financial visibility. A job that looks profitable in the field can quietly eat margin when time, materials, and subcontract costs aren't tracked in real time. Commercial contractor software should connect time tracking, procurement, and invoicing so owners and finance teams can see job level profitability as it develops, not after the invoice is out the door. Spotlight on BuildOps, contractor software built for the complexity of commercial work. BuildOps is a contractor management platform designed for commercial contractors, not adapted from residential tools. It's used by more than 1,500 commercial contractors across North America, covering HVAC, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire safety, and more. Here are the areas where BuildOps stands out. Service management end to end. BuildOps handles the full service cycle, scheduling and dispatch, work order management, asset tracking, preventative maintenance, and invoicing. The scheduling board gives dispatchers a real-time view of technician availability, location, and skill set with drag and drop job assignment. Field technicians access work orders, equipment history, and site documentation through the mobile app on iOS or Android. When the job closes, the record is updated. No re-entry required. Project management from bid to closeout. For contractors running multi-phase construction work alongside service, BuildOps includes a dedicated project management suite covering resource planning, field execution, document control, RFI and submittal management, change order tracking, and project financials. The real-time project dashboard displays budget, billing, job costing, and profitability as they develop, not after the fact. OpsAI, intelligence built into the work. OpsAI is BuildOps' AI layer. It operates inside the service, project, finance, and sales workflows your teams already use, not as a standalone chatbot or a separate module. OpsAI for Field helps dispatchers optimize the board and briefs foremen before crews arrive. OpsAI for Service lets technicians snap a photo of an equipment nameplate to autofill the asset record, then surfaces the full service history before before anyone opens the panel. OpsAI for Finance generates readable invoice summaries, scans PO photos to pull line items automatically, and matches bulk payments to open invoices. OpsAI for Sales reads completed visit notes and flags repair, replacement, and upsell opportunities before the customer calls someone else. Financial visibility and faster cash flow. BuildOps keeps time tracking, procurement, and invoicing connected in real time. Preset pricing and markup rates in the built-in price book allow managers to generate accurate invoices quickly, and multiple payment options, including mobile card readers and check deposits by photo, reduce friction in collections. Integrations with accounting tools you already use. BuildOps integrates with major accounting platforms including QuickBooks, Sage Intacct, Vista, and Spectrum, so financial data doesn't have to live in isolation. For contractors already running established back-office systems, that means faster billing and fewer manual handoffs between teams. In summary, BuildOps is a strong fit if you run commercial service work, project work, or both, you're managing scheduling, dispatch, and job costing across multiple crews, you want field and office teams working from the same system in real time, you're dealing with invoicing delays, receivables backlogs, or manual data re-entry, you want AI embedded into your workflows, not added as a separate tool to manage. For the complexity of commercial operations, BuildOps is a great fit. To see how BuildOps compares to other solutions and whether it's the right fit for your operation, book a demo through the links in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.